Howdy friends, quick little video on installing a shutdown switch, an override switch to kill the rear cargo lights in a 2020 Ford Transit van. In earlier model years, you can use a little fuse adapter like this, but in the 2020 model year, and I assume onward into the future, the rear cargo lights are hooked directly into the BCM, the body control module. So there's no easy access to a fuse to install a simple on-off switch. But here's what you do. So up high behind the driver's seat, there's this bundle of wires that goes to the rear of the vehicle. Cut back the cloth tape a little bit. Obviously, it would have been a lot easier to do this before I installed the ceiling and the walls. I even had the trim up there, but I took that down. What we've got to do here, there are two wires in there that are white with a blue stripe. See the white with the blue stripe? One of those goes to the little override switch back there by the rear doors, but that one doesn't give you full functionality to just kill the rear cargo light system. That one carries 3 volts. The other one carries 12 volts. And I'd say go ahead and just try snipping one because you got about a 50% chance. You can always put that wire back together, but you can see this when I bridge this gap here, the cargo lights turn on. When I undo it, they turn off. So I'm just going to install a switch there, mount the switch into my trim, and that's all she wrote. Oh, and for the switch, I'm going to use one of these little units. It could light up, but I don't really need that, so we're just going to use 2 of the 3 pin connectors back there. You can see this is just right for going through some 1/4-inch cedar wallboard. So a little switch like that is probably going to serve you well. Hope this helps. You all have a great day. One love, and of course, peace.